Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I continue, please like, subscribe, comment on my previous videos, and also comment on this one you're going to watch now. So today I'm going to teach you guys on another way you can also set your keyboard. I normally use this kind of sound if someone is ministering, that is, if the pastor is ministering, you can use it to be giving him some background. So the voice I normally use for this is Funky EP. For this very tutorial, I'm using this very keyboard, PSR E463. So same process that I'm going to teach you here. You can use it for other PSR E series like E443, E453, and the rest. So for this very tutorial, I'm going to be using, on my former tutorial I used grand piano but for this very one, that is if someone is ministering, maybe your pastor or anyone, or you went to some kind of function, you want to be giving them some background sound while they talk, understand? So you can use Funky EP. Funky EP is on 14 on this keyboard, I think it's on number 14, yeah. Funky EP, you see. So after setting the voice, you now go to DUA. We are going to be using this DUA. To set the DUA, hard click on this DUA button. When you hard click, it will now show you the different voices you can choose. For this very tutorial, we're going to use slow strings. To select that very voice, use this very button, this plus sign, this yes button. You can also use this knob, but let's use this. Select your slow strings. Slow strings is on 073, yeah. So I normally set it. It's on 07, yeah. This is slow strings. It says slow strings as your dual voice. Then after setting it, you go to dual volume using this sign, this button here. Go to dual volume. Let's use 070 for this, so that it won't be that shouty, understand? Now after setting the dual volume, next thing is dual cutoff, so that the voice will be so nice, it won't be making noise at all. You cut it off to 030. After doing this, your dual settings is set. To activate it, you just click on this dual once. You see, the dual is activated. Then you check what you set. Then the next thing we're going to set is the M volume. For this very tutorial, to set the M volume, use this button here. Go to the M volume, that is master volume. Set it on 115, so that it won't be making that. You can always use this volume to put it where you want it. This knob here, I set it on 115, that is M volume for this very tutorial. Then the next thing you are going to set for this is your sustainer. As I said in my last video for worship, I normally use this knob to set my M release or sustain if you don't have a sustain pedal. So the number for the release, that is the sustain, is 4. You see, it's 4. Use this knob as sign to put it on 4 before you now activate. You see this one here, knob as sign 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you now activate it from here. Put it wherever you want it. So now the sustain is now activated. You see, You see? So sweet. That is this kind of sound. If someone is ministering or you go for a function, someone is talking on anything, you can use these very settings and be giving them some background. See? Something like this. See how sweet it sounds. You can also use this very sound for worship if you like. You can also use it for your worship. You see how sweet the thing sounds, how lovely. No noise. Someone might be playing keyboard for many years, you won't know this. With this kind of sound, you can be playing and be feeling so good about yourself. Understand? So for the release, as I said on my last video, if you don't want to use this knob sign, this knob key, you can also as well use the function. Look for M release. M release. You see, put it on 110. You can these settings if you don't have a sustain pedal, like I said earlier. So here you have it. If you want to play some cool sound for giving someone background or for worship as well, this sound can work for you perfectly. I hope this very tutorial help you guys moving forward. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, share on your various social media platforms so that I will be encouraged to bring you more tutorials. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.